These path lights are really great for adding that little bit of illumination that you need so that you can navigate your yard in the dark. I was sent these lights to try out, and my favorite part is that the glass in them have that little bit of a texture, so it makes a really pretty display once the lights light up at night. And I thought it was really unique that they also send little elbow arms that you could mount these path lights on a fence post, which is what I did over by our garden. I mounted one of the path lights on each of the posts, and then I had a few left over, and so I stuck them in the ground along the front of my garden. And it just did a wonderful job lighting it up at night, and it looks really pretty. There are so many different options for how you could put together these lights, and they send all the parts that you're gonna need. So you can either have them be extra tall by putting the spacer in between, and there's also a clear spacer that you can use, or you can just have it be a little bit shorter by using just the stake in the bottom of the light. The solar lights have a little switch on the bottom so you can switch between the white light or color. And this is what they look like when they're all colorful. These path lights would make a great addition to your yard.